I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to add the screen recording control and set audio. First, open Settings and tap Control Center, add screen recording. Once done, make sure your iPhone isn't in low power or a focus that blocks notifications. Those can interrupt captures. Next, consider whether you need external sound. Press and hold the screen recording icon to reveal the microphone option and toggle it on or off. This gives you either system-only audio or system plus your voice, so choose based on your goal. Now you'll start the capture. Swipe into Control Center, from the top right on Face ID phones or bottom on older models, and tap the red circle screen recording icon. You'll see a 3-second countdown, so position the screen content. If you need audio, long press the control before tapping and enable microphone. Once the countdown finishes, the status bar or pill turns red to confirm recording. Navigate to the app or content you want to capture, and perform the actions you need to show. Finish by stopping and saving correctly. To stop, tap the red status bar or the red pill and confirm stop. The video saves automatically to Photos. Once saved, open Photos to trim, crop, or mute audio before sharing. Use the built-in editor or share directly via messages, mail, or AirDrop. If you don't see a file, make sure you have available storage. Screen recording is still enabled in Control Center, and screen time or a focus didn't block saving. Restart the phone as a quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.